Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So we're starting to break it out. It's coming out quick. They still have to fill in this trench for the gas line, but we're gonna excavate everything today, get it prepped tomorrow, and then on Wednesday we have our first pour for the driveway out front. Thanks for sticking around, guys. See you there. Hey guys, so we got everything excavated yesterday. We hit every sprinkler in the world, even after the customer did his repairs, but no problem. I mean, they're gonna relay a new system now because everything went across that corner there. The last patio was really small, so they put it to that edge, but now this edge is further. Either way, excavation went well. We're gonna start framing right now. Should go pretty quick because it's a pretty simple frame job, to be honest. But stick around for that prep and we'll see you when we start laying rotor base. Thanks guys. All right guys, we got our framing in. We left a little opening there for the Bobcat and the power buggy for the pour tomorrow. We compacted the existing soil, so it's good to go. It'll give us some room for about a few inches of rotor base, which should be fine for this patio. Time to knock it out. Let's get it done. All right, road base is down. Time to compact it with the plate compactor. Now after that is rebar. Let's go. All right guys, there it is. Patio is good to go. We got our turns in, rebars in. I got my sleeves around those gas lines. They're flexible lines anyways, but I always recommend that people do not pour concrete up to any conduit like that that's actually carrying something like a water line, a gas line. If it's a conduit for electrical, those can wiggle around. I mean, it can bend and turn, you'll be fine. But for that, we got a sleeve there, sleeve there. The sleeve isn't like perfect. It doesn't have to be making contact, but we're good to go. We will be pouring this tomorrow. We're going to be stamping it. Probably the only stamp job we've done all year. But let's go check out the driveway. Driveway is good to go too. That thing's been ready since last week. We're going to power buggy this in the back. There it is, guys. Check that out. Driveway is good to go. I adjusted our water meter shut off, raised it up. Once it's in the concrete, it's fine. You just want to be slightly below the concrete so it doesn't get ran over. But there it is, guys. Both pours are good to go. We're pouring tomorrow, the stamped. Day after that, this driveway, and then we clean up on Friday. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. que vaya a agarrar más vuelo. Está bien. Así lo que yo señor, yo.
A mi señora la he visto, ahorita si la veo no me acuerdo de ella, la he visto 2 veces en la vida nomás. Y la del Luisito tampoco la conozco.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M here. So pour went well. We poured at 8 in the morning. Poured 4,000, 5-inch slump, microfiber. We did a regular rock mix since this was a seamless slate stamp. Everything came out really, really nice. Stamped. We did our joint cross here. We stamped the face. Pretty straightforward. I'll be back in 4 weeks to do an easy teak antiquing on it, and then a 2-part sealer, which will make it look just amazing. But even now you can kind of see the design. I think it came out really sweet. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Tomorrow we are pouring the driveway. See you then, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning, knocked it out. Check it out. Poured it out. We got plenty of slope that way, plenty of slope that way. Right in that little corner, for some reason it just flattened every way, but it comes out this way. And then here on the water meter cap, one thing I've always told people, you don't want it to the level of the concrete too much. You always want it slightly below, so when tires go over, it doesn't hit that. Now they're steel all the way through, but you don't want to hit them anyway. So what we do is we leave it kind of high, but then there's a little tiny dip right here where water won't sit in there, and it'll come out this way and then flow out. tiny little details. It's the difference between an average contractor and a high-end contractor. And I tell people, keeping things clean, putting plastic up, all those little details are the difference between charging a little, charging a lot, people being happy, people not being happy. But I think customers are going to be thrilled. Backyard pour went well, this pour went well. We'll be back in a few weeks to seal the back, but there it is, guys. Next week we're doing a large driveway. We managed to make some room. We moved that one up from the end of our schedule, so we're gonna get some great weather. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.